Hey everyone, today I will show you how to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's jump in. Starting with iOS 16, you can easily recover deleted conversations and messages on your iPhone. Here's how. Open the Messages app and tap Edit in the upper left corner. If you have Filter Unknown Senders turned on, this button might say Filters. Next, tap Show Recently Deleted. Select the conversation you want to restore and tap Recover in the bottom right corner. Confirm by tapping Recover Messages. This will restore all messages and media, including photos and videos for that conversation. Remember, you can recover deleted messages for up to 30 days. Once you're done, tap Done in the upper right corner. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your conversations and messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.